A person who drives is a driver. Therefore, a person who cooks is a cooker. No, it's cook. And that's it. Just cook. Okay. So, a person who flies a plane is a flyer. No. Oh, I know. Fly. No. A fly is a bug. Is pilot. What? A person who reads the news is a newsreader. So, a person who catches fish is a fish catcher. No. Is a fisherman. But what if she's female? A female fisherman? A woman fisherman? Fisherwoman? Fisherwoman. Fisherwoman. Probably. What about a person who delivers the mail? Mailman or mail woman. What if it's not a man or a woman? Mail carrier. Let's just go with that. What about a person who opens doors for people?